Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make marshmallows in Cookie Run Kingdom. First, you'll need to unlock and build the sugar quarry. This essential production building is where all your marshmallow magic happens. Make sure to place it strategically in your kingdom. Upgrading your sugar quarry will significantly boost its production rate, allowing you to gather more marshmallows faster for all your crafting needs. To get started, ensure your kingdom has reached level 10, as this is the prerequisite for unlocking the sugar quarry. Once unlocked, you can begin the construction process. Upgrading your sugar quarry is crucial for efficiency. Each upgrade requires a certain amount of coins and specific materials, such as sturdy wood and sparkling sugar cubes. Investing in these upgrades will ensure a steady and abundant supply of marshmallows for your kingdom's culinary adventures. Hey everyone, if you're finding these tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more Cookie Run Kingdom guides. On another note, if you're looking to sweeten up your financial future, I highly recommend The Simple Path to Wealth. It's a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money. Check the description for a link to the book and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. To truly maximize your marshmallow output, consider assigning specific cookies to work at the sugar quarry. Some cookies offer unique production buffs that can significantly increase your yield. Don't forget about the Fountain of Abundance. Its passive buffs can also contribute to faster production across all your buildings. Remember to collect your marshmallows frequently to keep the production line moving smoothly and prevent any bottlenecks in your supply.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.